What if I told you that I get paid just to make a click on text? Yes, this has been in existence for long, and I'm going to be showing you right in this video how it is done, and you don't need any capital to start this. All you need is your smartphone and data connection. Sets of people that will be benefiting from this are people or individuals or subscribers that will watch this video down to the end, because there's a way I'm going to show you how to maximize your earnings so you can be able to make at least $4 every single day. And you know, when you convert above $4 into your naira currency or any of your local currency, you should be making above 7,000 naira for yourself. So it will be advisable you watch this video till the very end, because what I'll be showing you right in this video will actually blow your mind. In exchange, I'm not asking for too much. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. I believe you've done that, so let's dive into the tutorial of today. When you come down here, you can actually see that we have over 150 offers available in Nigeria. You can actually get access to these websites all over the world. And when you look down here, you can also see that you can earn up to $150 per offer. So this is actually amazing. Now, to begin with this website, once you click the first link below the description of this video or in the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface where you're going to see register and log in. So what you just want to do is to come right here and click on register, and it's going to bring you over to the registration page where you get to set up an account for yourself before you can start using this website. So right now, what you just want to do is to come right here and input a registered and a valid email address. Come down here to input a unique password. Like I always recommend, always put in password you will always remember. Then come down here and repeat that same password. Then come down and check this box that says I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. So once that is done, come down here and click on register, or you can go ahead to register with your Google that is already linked into your device. Now, before I proceed showing you how to leverage this platform, let me quickly show you how to place withdrawal right in this platform. Once you head over to your profile, just click on cash out, and it's going to bring you over to this two interface where you're going to see the crypto and the gift card. Now, if you're withdrawing through your crypto, know that you're withdrawing through your Litecoin, your Bitcoin, and several of these wallet address of the crypto. Now, if you're using your gift cards to place withdrawal right here, just know that you'll be converting your gift cards into money. Right now, I'm just going to click on crypto. So it's asking me to please fill out the wallet address in my profile. Now, before you be able to place withdrawal in this website, you will need to have linked your wallet address into this account. So once you have actually done that, you'll be able to place withdrawal in your account. Now, what you just want to do is to close this, come over to your profile, just come down where you are going to see the wallet. So once you click on wallet, then come down to this pencil icon, then click on that. You're going to be seeing several wallets you can actually link into this platform. Now, you can actually withdraw your earnings with your Bitcoin, your Payer, your Dogecoin, Fastword Pay, Litecoin, and the rest of others. So for the sake of this video, let me just say I want to withdraw using my Litecoin. I just have to tap on Litecoin, and it's going to ask you for your Litecoin address. So what you just want to do is to come down here and paste your wallet address of Litecoin, then click on next. Then a code will be sent to you. What you just want to do is to copy that code, then input that code right here, then click on confirm. So once you've actually linked your wallet address to your account, the next thing you want to do is to come over to cash out, then place your withdrawal right on this website. To earn on this website, let me quickly take you through on the features right in this website. All these features right in this website are very important because they are going to give you more earnings to your account. When you go ahead clicking on browsing, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be seeing the frameless ads and the frame ad. Remember, I told you that all you do on this website is just to make a click to view text and you get paid. Right now, you can actually see that you can view this particular text for 15 seconds and you'll be paid 3.6 coin. And when you go ahead to view the second one, which I've already viewed, you'll be paid 1.5 coin. And so when you go ahead to click this third one, you're going to be paid 1.5 coin as well, meaning you will stay in this page for 15 seconds. For an example, what you just want to do is to tap on this text and you're going to be staying on this page for 15 seconds. So once you're able to count up to 15 seconds right on this interface, you just have to go back to your account and the amount will be credited into your wallet. As you can see right now, you have earned 1.5 coin. Okay, so this is what you will do to several of these texts right on this account. Now, to maximize your earnings on this platform is very simple. What you just want to do is to come over to this icon where you are going to see offer wars. When you go over to offer wars, you're going to be seeing several of these offer partners right here. Like you all know, time wall is mostly used by many users online. You can actually use this time wall to increase your earnings. You can actually use several of these offer partners to increase your earnings. So right now, if you want to actually use time wall to increase your earnings, all you just need to do is to tap on time wall, and it's going to direct you to where you can actually link your existing time wall account, or if you're a new user, you just have to create a new one. Okay, if you don't have a time wall account, I have made several videos on how to go about creating a time wall account online. If you're interested, just go down and comment, and I'll be sending you the link to create a time wall account for yourself. Now, another way you can use to make money and maximize your earnings with this website is to come over to surveys. So once you head over to surveys, you're going to be seeing the CPS research and BitLabs and several of these surveys right now. The disadvantage of taking surveys on this platform is that it does not allow several locations to take these surveys right in this account. If you go ahead to take this survey as a Nigerian, you will be declined and you will not be given chance to take this offer. Now, how do you go about this? Now, if you can stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a secret way you can use to bypass this. So right on this website, you can quickly go over to leaderboard. So when you head over to the leaderboard, you're going to be seeing several individuals that are leading right in this website, those that are leading with $500. So you just have to come over to join now, then you'll be seeing the details of those that are leading right in this website. Now, like I explained before, that there are various ways you can use to maximize your earnings right in this website. Once you go over to affiliates, you can actually affiliate this particular website to earn more money for yourself. So once you come over to affiliate, you're going to be seeing these promo materials. Just click on the promo materials. You're going to be seeing your affiliate link right here. So what you just want to do is to come down to copy your affiliate link. As it says, with the below simple link, you can invite both advertisers and earners. So right in this website, once you're able to invite individuals to this website, you're going to be getting commission for everyone that actually use your own referral link to sign up for an account, and this is going to increase your earnings. Now, in making use of this market feature over here, this is only advisable to those that are actually advertising on this website. For instance, when you invite an advertiser to this particular website and that advertiser went ahead to purchase any of this coin right here, you're going to be getting commission for it. That is why you're able to see on your account referrals, promo materials, and markets. Because once you go over to markets and you have actually referred an advertiser to this particular website, and that advertiser wants to advertise on this page and went ahead to purchase any of this coin, you're going to be getting commission for that, and that is going to increase your earnings right in this website. Now, if you really want to make money with the viewing of text, I have made a detailed video that shows you a secret way to maximize your earnings, and this is only available to my unique subscribers that have actually joined my membership program right in this channel. So if you really want to make money with this viewing of text, just go down and click the join button that you're seeing in this channel profile. Just go ahead to click on that and join the membership of this channel, and you'll be given access to this free secret method on how you can make more money viewing text. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Don't forget to join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give aways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. See you on my next video, and keep winning.